So I like to try to eat healthy, and I eat keto. That's just what I prefer and what works for me. And I usually create meals in bulk and then eat them all week. Like I'll have the same thing for lunch every day of the week, same thing for dinner every day of the week. I'm a mutant. Maybe you're not that way, but that's just how I do it. I was tired of trying to find Tupperware containers that would work for me, so I went on Amazon and found this 50-piece meal prep container set from WGCC. Again, 50-piece. So now I have all of these containers, 50 of them to be exact, with very well-fitting lids, 32-ounce, microwave safe, BPA free, for a very, very reasonable price. And these things are high quality enough that you can do your meal prep with them. They're gonna last for a long time. You can wash them and reuse them, but they're also kind of like glorified throwaway like plasticware containers. So if for some reason I take one of these on a trip with me or in a lunchbox or something and I forget about it, it's not that big of a deal, especially when you have 50 of these things laying around. This is better to lose or to throw out if you need to, rather than using like a really expensive container set. So these things work really well for me. They come in lots of different numbers. Like for example, this was a 50 count, and they also come in different sizes. For me, this 32-ounce size is the perfect size for an actual meal. You can fit like your meat and your side all in one container, and for me that works great. So I'm really happy with these things. If you are looking to meal prep, you are going to need to start stocking up on meal prep containers, and buying it in a 50 count like this was for me the absolute easiest way to go. I'm happy with these. I use them every day, and I would definitely recommend them.